Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have 2x. This one we have 2y, and first derivative of y. This one we have number 1. This one we have first derivative of y. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Now I need to put 2x and number 12 go to the right, and first derivative of y we can do about factorization, and now we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by 2y plus 16. Next, we have the formula of the tangent line, that is y equals to first derivative of y, and we have s minus s0 plus y0 next we have negative number 1 for s and positive number 4 for y, so we put this value gone here, and now we have like this. So we calculate this one, and we have negative number 5 over 12. Next, I will put this one multiplied by s and number 1, and now we have like this. Now we calculate this one, and we have 43 over number 12, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.